Top Hook, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make clear slime. You're going to want to get 1 cup of water.
Get a teaspoon of borax.
You pour the borax in, then stir it till it's dissolved. Next you want to get your glue. You can just use a 5-ounce bottle of Elmer's washable clear glue. Now open it up, squeeze it all out. Now if you want to make colored slime that's not clear, this is the time when you want to add some food coloring. Save the bottle to use it as a spoon later on.
Get a 1/2 cup of water
and add it to the glue. Now pour in the borax mixture.
Start kneading it with your hands for 5 seconds, or stir it with a spoon for 5 seconds.
Now pour out all the rest of the water in there. Take your slime out of the bowl now. Try to get as much as you can of it to one glob. Then knead it over the bowl. Or just kind of play with it. And eventually it won't stick to your hands. Okay, I think we're good now. Now, try to get all the extra water out. Now put it in a Ziploc bag to stir. And it may need around an hour to sit before it's completely putty and not sticking to your hands. Okay guys, just remember, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just remember to like, and share this video with your friends.
Yeah. Subscribe, you filthy animal.